Hi guys, good day. I'm Benjo Magpantay and today I'm going to share with you the result of my personality test and IQ test. So, unahin natin yung personality test. May 5 trait na sinusukat dito. So, sa openness to experience, I got 42. So, ibig sabihin, average lang ako when it comes to trying new ideas and experience. Then, sa consciousness naman, I scored 34. Medyo mababa. So, minsan hindi ako masyadong structured or organized. Pero, kaya ko pa rin mag-adjust kapag kailangan. Next naman, extroversion. My score is 60, which means mas outgoing ako, mahilig ako makipag-socialize and I enjoy being with people. So, ganun ako. So, honest naman, my score is 58. So, cooperative ako, mabait, and I usually get along with others. Then lastly, natural reaction or neuroticism. My score is 64. Medyo mataas, ibig sabihin, I'm quite sensitive and I feel emotion deeply. Next is the IQ test. Lumabas na may IQ score is within the average of 127 to 143. This means I fall under above the average to gifted category. Oh, wow. This shows na I have a good problem solving and reasoning skills. So, to summarize, my personality shows na I'm sociable, cooperative, and emotionally expressive. Pero kailangan ko pa ng improvement sa pagiging organized. Meanwhile, my IQ score shows na I have strong intellectual abilities. So, that's all my test result. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and my channel, and share your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Ang pangit.